When you install Hyper-V, you will also install this Hyper-V Manager. This is the graphical user interface tool that we'll use to manage local and even remote Hyper-V machines. Everything you need to configure in Hyper-V, we can configure here. I can create new virtual machines. If you need to import or export virtual machines, I can do that. There's an export option, it's just further down the list here. I can look at all the settings of the Hyper-V host. I can create and manage virtual switches. I can manage my storage. I can see my two virtual machines I have here, RTS-DC1, and I have an RTS-SVR1. So this will be the primary tool that we'll use to create and manage all of these virtual machines. You can also use PowerShell. And the Windows Admin Center also has Hyper-V visible in it, so you have some control and visibility over your Hyper-V and your virtual machines in there as well. You can also install the Hyper-V Manager on remote machines. For example, if I have my Hyper-V host running Server 2019, I could go to my Windows 10 machine, I'm just going to call it Win 10, and I could load the Hyper-V Manager on Windows 10, and it would look just like this tool. But if I were to go here, there is an option to add server. If I were to right click this, and I could specify the Hyper-V host. So from Windows 10, I could connect to my Server 2019 Hyper-V host, and I could manage every component of the Hyper-V host and the virtual machines remotely. And you can add as many Hyper-V hosts as you have. So if I had another, and another, and another, they would all show up here, and you can manage, create, control all the virtual machines and all the settings. Very user-friendly.